Hi darlings, if you're like me, you only have time to do your eyebrows without putting on any other makeup, then this tutorial is for you. So today I'm going to show you 2 ways of how I usually do my brows. First thing first, today we're going to need brow products. This is a standard brow pencil that we need to sharpen. I do have a makeup pencil sharpener, but if you don't have any, then you can use any regular sharpener. So I like my pencil sharp, and I'm gonna make sure that it stays sharp in the whole process. Or when I don't feel like sharpening or I cannot find my sharpener, I like to use this kind of brow pencil. It's actually double-ended. If you open this part, you can reveal a spoolie, and open this part, we can reveal product itself. The end is not sharp, but it's angled, so it's perfect to draw some brows. So, other than the brow pencil, I also need this. This is a spoolie to brush the hair of my brows. If you don't have any, you can use an angled brush like this. So, for the first look, before I record this, I've brushed my brows with a spoolie. Now I'm using the angled brow pencil. I'm just framing my brows, starting from the bottom line, followed by the upper line. Just checking in the mirror and in the camera if I'm happy about the shape or not. Now that I'm happy about the shape, I fill my brows in by making gentle one-way strokes. After that, I brush with the spoolie. This is the key to make my brows look natural. I usually draw and brush several times until my brows look defined but still natural. Okay, I'm quite happy with this one. Let's move on to the next step. So now I'm using a tiny little bit of concealer and pick it up using a flat brush. And I'm gonna draw a line right under my brows, making sure that the bottom part looks neat and carved. Then I'm gonna drag down the concealer, not to the whole eyelid, but just to blend it out. And then I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it out further. There you go. This is the first look. Let's move on to the next look. This is my favorite technique because it's so simple. I'm gonna use this kind of brow pencil. Just to remind you, if you don't have any spoolie, you can use this kind of brush, an angled brush, just to brush out the hair of your brows. But yeah, my favorite tool to brush my brows is the spoolie. So I'm brushing up and then I brush out. So make sure that the pencil is sharp. And I'm gonna go ahead and make some light strokes, drawing each hair of my brows. So in the inner part of my brows, I stroke up, and the more I go out, the strokes will be a little bit slanted and a bit horizontal. So I'm actually mimicking how my hair of my brows growing naturally. So if you already have bushy brows, you can just start with brushing with a spoolie and then just fill in your brows. Here it looks like I'm filling in, but I'm actually trying to frame it at the same time. So I carefully place where my stroke starts and ends. Okay, don't forget to always check the mirror, and also I'm checking in the camera. Quite happy about it. Now, don't forget to brush with the spoolie to make it even more natural. I keep on doing it several times, and I know this is a bit hard for some of us, but you know, practice makes perfect. And also patience. So for the second look, I don't really carve my brows with concealer. I just place the start and the end of my strokes carefully. So there you go. This is the final look for my second one. And this is the best look for me to go with no other makeup at all, only brows. I didn't even put my eyeliner, but the brows already does a good job in framing my face. And also my brows look neat enough without looking too like over the top. Okay, let's compare to the other one, the one carved with some concealers. I love this technique so much. And yes, I can still go ahead with my day without putting any other makeup, but I feel like there's something missing, you know? I feel like the brows look too defined, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I like to put some eyeliner. And to me, this technique of eyebrows looks way better with eyeliner. It's the best technique to go with eyeliners. So I'm gonna show you the comparison. But the second look, the most natural one, also goes well with the eyeliner. That's why it is my most favorite one. It does require some practice and patience, but once we're used to it, it's very quick, less mess, and works with or without mascara. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!